Watch this, and this. You've probably come across videos like this on TikTok or YouTube. So, how are they actually made? Today, I'm going to let you in on a secret AI tool that can instantly create these eye-catching motion graphic videos. No need for After Effects, no need for animation experience, just pure AI-powered automation. Here's the crazy part. Some people are earning more than $25,000 a month using this exact strategy. Other content creators are raking in thousands too. The best thing? This niche isn't overcrowded yet. Why? Because until now, creating these types of videos required advanced motion design skills and complex software. But thanks to this new AI tool I'm about to show you. And trust me, you've never seen anything like this before. We call this mid-journey, but for motion graphics by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create high-quality videos with AI, so make sure you stick around to make it simpler for you to follow up. We are going to break this into 4 simple steps that anyone can follow. First step is the step where we need to generate our stories. To do that, we need to train ChatGPT to write the stories for us, but for that, we need to feed ChatGPT with viral content where it can analyze the content and can write for us scripts that have potential to go viral. Al, let's go to this channel on TikTok. For example, open one of their videos and copy the link of the video here. Now we need to go to a tool that can transcribe these videos. It's called TalkScript Paste. The video link here, where it reads Enter Video, and in a matter of seconds, we will have the script ready. Now we need to copy the script and go to ChatGPT here. We need to write, I need you to analyze this script, and then paste the script and hit Enter. ChatGPT is going to analyze the script and bring out the strengths, areas of improvement, and other points from this script, so it will basically get into the scriptwriter head, and then it will be ready for you to write the viral scripts you want. What we need to do next is write great now that you have analyzed this video. I need you to write me an interesting fact about us statistics based on the video script you analyzed. And this channel's RPM is higher for US-based content. Now that we have completed the first step and have the video script ready, it's time to move to the second step, which is generating the narration voice for that. We are going to use a tool called 11 Labs, which is the best so far for creating realistic voice, and it has free and also paid subscriptions. I'm going to spend a little time exploring the kind of voice I want to use here. For now, I'm selecting this one. It has redirected us to the section where we need to enter our script. So let's return to ChatGPT and copy all parts of the script. Like this. Perfect. Now that the script is here, click on Generate. I've decided to use this voice for myself, so I'll download it and move on to the third and most important part. This is where I finally reveal the powerful tool I've been hinting at, an AI platform called Hera. Hera is an incredible tool for creating AI-powered motion graphics in just seconds instead of hours. After exploring it myself, something that would normally take hours to do by hand, I'll guide you through the process so you can see just how simple and user-friendly it is. Click on Try Hera for free and sign in using your email. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to this dashboard. From here for now, let's head over to the Explore Templates section. You'll find a wide variety of templates available, including chart animations, logo, motion graphics, and more. Most importantly, you'll see the specific templates we need to build our videos. Let's test one of them. Now I know you're excited to see it in action. Just click on the one you want, then hit. Use this template, it will direct us to the editor. You see how user-friendly and not overcomplicated this looks. Now let's go back to ChatGPT here. We see that the first places we talk about are US and Florida. So we first need to highlight us and then zoom into Florida. Now let's go back to Hera. Here we can set the ratio to 9:6 for the vertical format, and it automatically fits the map perfectly. Then on the prompt section, let's highlight the United States first, and then do a zoom into Florida State, and highlight Florida, submit it, and within 20 seconds, it has delivered us this complicated scene. And it has done an amazing job with it. See how smooth the zoom in is and how accurate the highlight is. This is truly a game changer. Now here, we also have an option to edit the video, where we can scale the footage. We can change the location of the text, also change its size. We can also change the colors. I'll let you explore which colors you want to keep for your channel. You can also add images to be attached to the video. For example, if you want to create the effect where we add the flag to the country, we can do it too. In this section, you can also upload SVG files and choose any custom font you'd like to use for your videos. which really gives you a lot of creative flexibility. With that setup, the first part is complete. Now I want to show you how to add chart graphics that display various statistics. For example, let's say we're focusing on Florida. According to a statistic, if Florida were an independent country, what we can do now is head back to ChatGPT and ask, can you generate a chart showing 15 countries that Florida would surpass economically if it were its own country? ChatGPT will then analyze the data and create a chart that visually compares Florida's economy with those 15 countries. Once you have the chart, simply download the image and return to here or browse through the available templates. After selecting your template, make sure to set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical videos. Once that's done, click on Image and upload the chart you just downloaded. We got from ChatGPT, and then on the prompt section, we need to copy the text from ChatGPT and paste it on the prompt section to give context of what the image chart is about, and within seconds, it will recreate this graphic for us, including the charts that we delivered from ChatGPT. And now, I would like to show you how you can create this effect. First, download the flag of Canada, for example, from Google, and then click on Image Import, the image of the flag, and then highlight Canada, and then attach the flag to the country of Canada. Generate, and the results are amazing. Once we have all the footage ready, we need to download all the footage and move to step 4. Open the CapCut and create a new project. Now, import all the footage and the voice. Let's add the voice into the timeline. Add the footage to the place. Now the first click seems that moves too slowly. We can change the speed to match the voice. Go to speed and make the footage move faster. This seems about right. Add the next sequence with the graphic charts and fix the speed of this part too. Add the next part and also fix the speed so it matches the voice. Now let's include one of these free transitions. This one looks pretty nice. The next step is to add captions. Click on the Captions tab and then hit Generate. Once the captions are ready, we can move on to using templates from CapCut. Next, let's add background music. Head over to the audio section and then to music. You can take some time to find the perfect track. I'll just go with this one. Add it in and adjust it so that it matches the video's duration. Now, these are the results, and this one works perfectly for the transition between clips. Let's place it here. Also, we'll use this sound for the zoom in effect on the map. All set. This one works perfectly. Now fix the rest of the video, and once the video is ready, hit export and here are the results. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, we used AI to create a high-quality viral YouTube video without touching a camera, recording audio, or spending hours on animations, yet in just minutes, AI turned in video into viral-worthy video. With consistent effort, you have everything you need to create AI-powered videos and unlock the potential to earn thousands each month. This was our video for today. If you liked the video, please make sure to subscribe to the Digital Buddy channel, like the video, and share it. Thanks. See you soon in the next video.